Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, one of the latest smartwatch from BlitzWolf. We have the BlitzWolf BW-AH2 model, So we have here the wearable, and we have the website here, BlitzWolf.com. If you want to check the specifications of this one and other features of this wearable, you can check it out on their website or check the links below. We have provided some links for the BlitzWolf Smartwatch BW-AH2 model. So let's check it here. At the back we have the model B-AH2, compatible with the iOS 11.0 and Android 5.0. So the battery here is 200 mAh with a 3 to 4 days of standby time. And as you can see here, it's a very lightweight wearable, just 42 grams. So let's check. Let's have the unboxing of the BW-AH2 model BlitzWolf smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we have the time. So let's remove this. Just wait. So let's check. Again, this is the first video unboxing review of the BlitzWolf BW-AH2. So watch out for our second video for this one, the review of its menus and features, as well as the installation of the support app for the smartwatch. So having a hard time moving the box here. So we have here the smartwatch. So as you can see here, obviously this is a rectangular smartwatch. What are the contents? So we have the smartwatch, we have the pogo pin magnetic charging cable here. So this one, I guess this is a warranty. No, so a warranty. And we have here, seems like we have here the support app. And we have the user manual for the BW-AH2 model. So let's check. So we have the power button here, so it supports full touchscreen operation here. We have, so this one, what's this? The app download. We have the Fit Cloud Pro support app. So we have the basic parameters here, the specifications. Again, it is IP68 waterproof rated. Wow, nice. Dimension, we have 46 by 30 by 9.5 millimeters. So it's a thin smartwatch. So product weight here is 30.7 grams. I guess with the 42 grams, as you can see here. So maybe this includes the, let me focus, includes the strap. So without the strap, I think it is 30.7 grams. The display screen here is 1.57 inches with a screen resolution of 200 by 320 pixel resolution. Sensors, tri-axial sensor. What else? And that's it for the basic specifications. For the full specifications of this model, please check out the links below. And of course, the support app is available in other languages here. Dutch. What else? We also have in Espanol or Spanish. What else? Portuguese, and that's it. So it seems like we don't have a Chinese language here. Anyway, let's focus on the wearable. So we have here the charging cable, okay, and we have the smartwatch, okay, with a single physical button here. So seems like this wearable is a smart band, okay, smartwatch, okay, popularized by, if I'm not mistaken, Huawei, okay. So wow, nice, it looks nice so far, okay. So TPU strap, interchangeable strap here, okay. At the back we have the sensor, so BlitzWolf Smartwatch, and on the side we have a glossy physical button. The finish, okay, let me focus on the case here. So brush finish, somewhat like a matte finish here, okay. Okay, let's focus. Okay, do you see it here, the finish? And it's slightly curved, okay, do you see it? Slightly curved body. So the screen resolution is 200 by 320, 200 by 320, and 1.57 inch screen display. So it has a sports function and health function. Okay, let's try to wear it so you can see it clearly, okay, if it's okay, or if it looks sporty when I wear it. Okay, let's try. So we have a steel buckle here, okay. So far it looks nice, looks comfortable to wear, lightweight, okay. So it looks good so far, okay. So we'll see if I turn it on, and let's check the display screen if it's, you know, looking good or not, so you can decide whether you want to buy the wearable or not, okay. So let's try. So display screen 200 by 320, okay, you see it here. Let's turn it on. Let's hope there's still a juice left on this wearable, okay. So seems like we're lucky, there's still a power, okay. The display screen here looking good, sharp. Let's change it to other display screen. Okay, so long press. Let's see, let's check a much lighter screen display so we're gonna see the bezel, okay. So it seems like we don't have it here, more on the dark color here for the display screen. How about this one? Okay, so far it looks good, okay. We have at least 3 or 4 preloaded, I think, watch faces, okay. See, so far it looks good, looks nice. I like the display screen here. How do you activate this one? Okay, the settings. Oh, similar UI to other wearable, but so far it looks good. Okay, let's focus on the display screen here. Okay, you see it? It looks okay. Physical button here. Okay, very black. Okay, as you can see, the color, the background black is very black. Seems like a pretty similar to an AMOLED screen here. Okay, very sharp. Long press. Okay, slim bezel here, except for the bottom part. So the bottom part here is a bit wider, but you can barely notice it because of the very black background here, okay. Okay, let's take a look, have a closer look at the overall design of the wearable, okay. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below, and we'll try to answer your queries. For the full menus and features of this wearable, just check it out on our second video review of this smartwatch. Okay, so far looking good, looking slick and sporty. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.